What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Edgar, so stay tuned. Starting off with our gold FX, we're going to be contouring the guideline to his head shape. Now that we're done balding him out with our trimmers, we're going to switch over to our foil shavers and remove all the stubble. Now that we're done balding him out completely, we're going to switch over to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Closing the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. As you can see, I'm using my thumb to stretch the skin when the lever is all the way closed. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this guard, we're going to soften up this line and get it ready for the half guard. Since we softened up the line with the one guard, we're going to move on to our half guard all the way open and erase the line completely. Switching over to the two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we've softened up the line with the 2 guard, we're going to switch over to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. I always like to use my one guard all the way open after I'm done with my 1.5 guard, just so I could detail. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, this is going to help us connect the top side of the fade to the bottom side of the fade. Moving on to the back side of the fade, I always like to make my guidelines a little bit thicker due to the high density of hair follicles in the occipital bone. Once we're done blending the initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and get ready for the half guard. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to get it ready for our 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Before I used my clipper over comb method in the back side, I moved on to my 3 guard all the way open and debulked. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to the hairline, before we line him up, we're debulking with the 1 guard all the way open. Using our Gold FX, we're going to gently etch in our hairline. Once I was done lining him up, it reviewed a few dark spots in the fade, so I switched over to my 2 guard all the way open, clipper over comb, and our 1.5 guard, just so I could remove the dark spots. Going back into the fade, I'm going back with my 1.5 guard and detailing. This is what separates the beginning barbers from the professionals. Now that we're done with the fade, we're going to move on with our Turkish razor and make him as crispy as possible. This is the cut. Leave a like,